Hey guys, welcome back to Saranshot. My name is Saransh Agarwal and I hope that you're all doing well. Today, I'll be creating an abstract art. I've primed my cotton canvas with gesso. I've applied 3 layers of gesso on top of each other. This painting is going to be a multiple canvas painting, each of 26 by 10 inches in size. I'm working with a limited palette with liquin original as my medium. All colors here will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So without further ado, let's get right into painting. What I have planned is to keep it simple and easy to make. Starting with a 1-inch brush, I am making random vertical strokes of different complementary colors. I've chosen a pastel color palette for my base layer. Once my base layer is complete, I started painting with a palette knife. Blobs of paint will give our painting texture and richness that it lacks right now. You can also achieve the similar texture using texture paste, modeling paste, etc. And don't let anything limit your imaginations. Feel free to experiment with different colors and techniques. Now that all is done, we are only left with the gilding process. For those who don't know what gilding process is, it is a process of applying gold leaf to any surface. I'm not using any adhesives as it will stick to the oils present in the paints and settle it as it dries. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and here's the final painting. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you, and I'll meet you in the next one.